Sunshine Girls head coach Connie Francis is remaining resolute that she'll seek a mental break from the role despite her success with the team at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England recently. As we hear in this report, Netball Jamaica is hoping to convince the former captain to reverse her plans.
The Sunshine Girls were the talk of the town in Birmingham after winning their first ever silver medal at the Commonwealth Games in their defeat to Australia in the final. The mastermind behind the team's success, head coach Connie Francis, says even with the monumental achievement, things cannot remain the same for her going forward with the World Cup around the corner.
With our national program, where does it go? So I'm looking at myself, because I can tell you that it's not the girls. This whole mental thing is not really the girls, because they're coachable, they're wonderful girls to be around, and I appreciate that. But I'm also human, and I also do have challenges. And at some point, I never expect Connie Francis to break, but I think I'm at my breaking point now, where I think I just need to just step back.
And it will need a special intervention to transform the stance of Francis, who says she's getting advice from a sports psychologist.
Don't worry, let me tell you something. Connie Francis can be replaced at any time, and the game must go on. Okay? I can be replaced and the game must go on. I just need to fix me now. I don't want to blame anybody for what I'm going through. I just need to work with the expert in the area and just to find out the reason why I am feeling this way. Because it's not the first time I've lost interest in netball.
However, Netball Jamaica President Trisha Robinson is hoping for the tiniest window of hope, given that Francis has a regular 9 to 5.
Usually when the team goes on tour, they usually have a little break right after. So hopefully that is the break that will get her rejuvenated to come back for the tour to New Zealand in September.
Vice Captain Shamira Sterling distanced herself from the possibility of losing their master.
I can't really comment on that aspect of it, because sometimes people have their mental health and all of that, and sometimes they face different situations than what the players face. And I'm in no shape or form to answer that question.
The World Cup will be in South Africa from July 28 to August 6. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.